Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work on 8 by, what is this, 28-inch canvas. It's a black canvas. It's just, that you can buy it black. And I will use just black and white. My white is pearl white and black is oxide black by Amsterdam, and I have 2 big cups because I have a plan. I don't know if it will work, and 2 little cups, and these paints are a little thicker than the other ones. It leaves a mound and it kind of disappears quite quick. And it's so hot that, you see, we have really hot weather lately. And this is for the background. It's a little thinner. And what I have in my, and of course I have this flower shaped cup. And I want to do a reverse flower dip here in the middle, and then I want to blow a little bit around with black and pearl white with the hairdryer, and this is still too thick. I can already see. I will torch this a little bit for the air bubbles. And I will try to add it in the middle. I don't know if I will be able to, but I will try. Okay. You can use these cups. I buy them here in Slovenia, but you can use 3D printed ones too, that I have link in my description box with the discount code. And I will add a little of this thicker black first, and then pearl white. Just have to be careful that I will not do too much layers. So let's remove that. And because I didn't do a lot of layers, you see, I don't have a lot of paint in the middle. We will see how this will work. And I did it the wrong way, but doesn't matter. It's been a long time since I did a flower dip, reverse flower dip, so obviously I forgot how to do it, so I will just go from here towards the outside just to create some more of the petal shape. Okay, and I will spray my paper napkin with some water on the clean surface that I don't have where you can see. I just spray it with water because I like my napkin to be a little softer, but you don't need to. And my napkin is bigger, but I like to use these bigger ones because it's easier to lift them up. I will add some paint around where I will blow with the hair dryer, so I don't kind of care if my napkin will pull paint off. Okay. Corners and sides. I can already see that this one could be a problem. I said that I don't need my gloves. Now I regret that. Slowly and straight up. I was afraid that it will be too big, and now it's probably too little, or maybe not. We will see. And I don't see a lot of lacing, so weird. But it's okay. Anyway, I will just put my gloves on again. Otherwise I will have my hands all dirty. I just want to tilt this part just a little bit. Okay. Okay. Kind of like it anyway. So now I will just add a little more paint, black paint on here because I did have a little, but it's a black canvas, so it's okay. And I will just use this little go like here, maybe like there. That. Whoop. Okay, should be here. Okay. And a little bit of black on top. I should just do, but now I probably don't have enough paint anymore even. Do I have any black? Where? Just a second. Oh, this is the blue. I would love to have this closer, you know, this part. But now I don't feel to blow to that part. I should do it like that. Probably. Let's try, because it's just paint, isn't it? We'll just go with white here. I just hope that I will not blow it with the hair dryer. My flower, I mean, I'll just thin this black down totally, just to have it a little bit. Okay. Was that a sign? Okay, so this was my struggle today. I will definitely play some more, but definitely what I had in my head for the next time, I will do a flower like here maybe, and add this white here, and I will cover my flower, and then I will just blow to have kind of grass effect or something. I will try. So if you want to see that, join me on Monday. Have a nice weekend and thanks for watching. Bye.